Okay, we're back. Alright, we're going to make a cut here. Looks like we're about 1450 RPM right now, or a little better. Probably a little steep on the R's. Cut that back a little bit. Contact. Should be pretty good. 950, 940, 840. It's vibrating up there. Definitely vibrating. Okay, let's see what we got. We're cutting the right direction. That's not good. 720, much better. Stop and hit this. Starting to chatter. Okay, it stopped right there. That's going to be... yeah, it's going to cut into that gasket surface pretty good. It's going to cut through the whole damn thing. And we're going to hit it. It doesn't feel that far in there. Well, that ain't no good. You can't cut in the gasket surface all the way through until you hit the hole. You're going to have a leak. We're going to have to pay attention to what's going on here. Okay, we're at 80. I'm going to back this thing way to hold back as far as I can go. I'm going to go back to 40. So that's a 1/16 less than we need to be. And that still looks like it's going to cut the gasket surface completely out on that thing. It's not looking good. Gasket's in there, so you can't cut that completely away. You can cut half that gasket away, but can't cut all of it. I don't know. Take some out, see what happens. Over down some more. Feed rate out. I got high feed, 3 thou per turn. That's medium. They got some room in there. Back around 90. Get our depth of cut over here figured out. Alright, we're going to measure that, see what we got. .471. Need 496. That's 10 past what it should have been. You always measure it. Don't trust that up there. .494. .513, getting better. I want to be about 520. We definitely want to be close to that number. So, push it all the way, or we're almost 20,000 where we need to be. Thou. .515. I'm 17, 15 and 20, so I'm alright with that. Okay. The cylinder's 96, so that gives us 20 extra. Okay. .483. I'm going to go a lot more than that. And that's a problem. 50,000 pass. Just my drag tension there. Cut line there. measurement right here. Yeah. Come on. Everything's fighting me. Measure right down to there. By 16.5. Pretty close. So we got a radius on our cutter right here. So how much you got to compensate for that. Okay. Ooh, we're getting close. Another 50 I'll hit. 25 to the edge of that. We're getting near critical. I know we're nowhere near our bore. About 40. Yeah, we're having a problem. Hard into our piston squirter. We have to deactivate the piston squirters. I got no way of not cutting that. I'm cutting depth here. I can't stop it from doing that. So we don't have much room here. There's only about 25,000 before I hit, which is only 50 on the bore. You see how far up into my bore. Over 100,000 to go, so we're going to be deep into that piston squirter. It's just a matter of how deep is it going to go down. So we know what that is because we got the number right here. There's 524, 517. So out of the way. So we are going to hit this sucker by that much. I'm going to cut right through the gallery. It will cut right into it. That will be a big leak. So, I'm not sure what we're supposed to do about that problem, because we are going to be into it hard. I'm going to go about 35,000, 25, whatever the hell that was. I'll try to sneak up on this a little bit. What they were planning to do here. See how I cut down into it there? So deep we went, we cut right into the gasket surface there, but not all the way through it yet, but it's close. But that'll be cutting that way all the way across, and that will definitely hit the top of that hole. Yeah, I'm only about 3 thou into it there, but alright. So the only thing I can think to do if you don't block off the squirter is if you cut the squirter deeper, cut the case deeper, mill it all in there deeper, then theoretically you should be able to reuse it. Assuming there's metal to do all that. I don't know how thick that cylinder is through there, all the thickness through here. It's not real thick through there, it's pretty thin. It's all hollowed out back here. Yeah, it doesn't feel very thick. It ain't this thick. It's pretty thin in there actually. And that hole, that bolt hole, tissue paper back there. There ain't shit back there. Hopefully that's below the where they cut it out, but I doubt it. And that little boss right there is there for the whole bolt hole. That's probably where that's at. So yeah, you can probably cut out and do it. It's going to be really thin on that case right there. There's no thickness. It's a good place for a case to break. You got no metal. They don't make these things very thick. Modern way of doing things. Take all the metal out that protects, makes your cases strong. Cut all that stuff out. You don't need it. See how everything's all sculpture cut? That's really tissue paper through here too. Real thin. So, yeah, none of these, it's not thick like this. It's all cut away. It's only half that. It's not even half that through here already. We're still boring. Yeah, it's going to get a lot thinner. We're cutting that whole area out, so yeah, these things are really thin. Definitely not made for these big bores. Alright, I'm not going to cut any more for now. I'm going to have to get a hold of some kind of manufacturer instructions, but unless we plug up the squirters, I see no way of doing this. We're going to have to cut the thing deeper. And probably cut on a good 1/8 of an inch to make room for all this, so. Alright, well, we'll find out. Take another crack at us tomorrow.